All right, going to be taking a look at BMXC by CyberC, submitted it over here on the Investors Hangout MVP contest. That opens on Fridays at close, and that is where the stock price is coming from. It's up 40% from there. If you want to find hot stocks in a lot to choose from, you've got over 141 people that submitted their stock into this contest for this week. So again, you can do that this Friday at the close and submit your pick. And then if it gets up in the top gainers, we always cover those stocks. We usually on Wednesdays, we definitely try to get through there.
So, we try to get to them.
Yeah. But hey, we are now. This one, obviously, we went through multiple times, and you're probably like, hey, Dave, what's going on here? This one has also been requested for us to take a look at again. So the last time that we went through this was going to be right here on this candlestick. And I said, watch, I think it still has, it still can move for another day or so. Buying pressure is there and picking up. Right. I thought it was going to keep going, but something happened right now. I've said it for the last 5 videos. I'm going to say it again. Head over to YouTube and look for the video. Penny stock gap ups. Don't do this because this always happens. It kills a run. You guys, everybody's like, oh, it's gapping and running. It's gapping and running. It's nonsense in my personal opinion, and I've proven it over the last 5, 6, 7 years of looking at charts. There's one thing that's always happening here that's killing it and pulling it back, and you can avoid that. It's perfectly avoidable, and I don't see a lot of people talking about it. And I figure that it's great to bring that to your attention. What am I talking about? Well, this day right here, you guys closed at 3 cents, right? So now your guys are at that, support level forming up there. But the next day, you opened at 0.310. That gap in that price from the close to the open goes ahead and pulls this back down. And then what happens is a chain reaction. That chain reaction is caused by everybody panicking and selling. But they couldn't learn from that because then it closed right here at 3 again and opened again at 0.310. And you see the same vicious cycle. A lot of people are like, this stock is going down now, which isn't necessarily the case, and it wasn't the case until all the people started selling. And then it's a chain reaction, unfortunately, but it's the way that it is. You guys watch for this thing to pull down to the 10-day simple moving average and bounce off of that to form up. I think that's going to probably pull down to around the 0.262 area maybe, and then bounce off of that. And Joe will take over when he's ready.
Yeah, there hasn't been any recent updates since the last time we went over on Monday.
Okay, let me just go ahead and finish up what we're looking at, and then we'll continue on. If you guys would like to find out all the information, I really encourage you to go back and check out the previous videos. 0.282, watch for a possible pullback. 0.262, then a bounce from there. And add that in there. All depends on. Let me add one more note over here. So if you're following this stock, I definitely encourage you to head over to investorshangout.com and you can get all the information that you need for your research. Everything, I can pull that up also for you to show you briefly what to look for. As far as the chart's concerned, 0.282, watch for a possible pullback. 0.262, then bounce from there. All depends on buying. You can get the message board, company profile, time and sales, recent news, filings, financials, all available over here on investorshangout.com, completely free. Get out there, make sure you subscribe to keep updated as we keep covering this one. I also encourage you guys to share this video with all other BMXC investors on all different social networks and forums. Get the word out there. You guys pick the stocks that we go through, and you can do so by going to investorshangout.com/live and submit your favorite stock for us to take a look at in live time. Again, BMXC, investorshangout.com.